Yo, what's up guys? Today's video is about the recap on the setups I sent last week to my Instagram and my Telegram channel, how they went and how the market react to the setup. So I would like to dive into the video to show you how the setups, all the setup I sent to my Telegram page and my Instagram page actually went. Your boy Spiro Forex, you can call me Los Spiro. See you after the intro. So this is the weekly recap on the setups I analyzed before the week started and how market reacted to the setup. So without wasting my time, let me just go straight to my Telegram to show you how I send a trade to my Telegram group, and also how I send a trade to the Instagram, and how the market react to the setup. The week started on 7th, which was on what? Which was on Sunday. I think 7 was on Sunday, right? Yeah. So the week started on 7th. This is 11th. So okay, the week started here, which was on Sunday. So this was the first setup I sent even before market will open. So as you can see, market hadn't opened. So I gave this setup to them. I sent it to the Instagram, as you can see on your screen. I sent it to the Instagram, and I also sent it to the Telegram group. And I said we are expecting a bullish continuation, but market has to retrace to this fair value gap before market rally upward. And this is the 4-hour swing high. So I was expecting market to hit this first TP, retrace downwards, then come upward to hit this 4-hour, or take out this 4-hour high. So this was the setup on the 7th of January. So let's see how market reacted to the setup. Market was here, and market opened, rallied up, came down, then tapped into the fair value gap, which was this one. This was where the fair value gap was, just below the other block at that point. This is the fair value gap that and as you can see, market just tapped into it very small, then it rallied up. So this was more or less like a snapper entry, and it went up, couldn't hit my TP, came down, and I think this trade was on 9th, I think so. Yeah, 9th January, because after I didn't hit, this was 8th, market opened on 7th here, 8th, rallied up, came down, and I know because of this liquidity that market has to come up down to pick it, then continue. So it came, I put another buy limit here, market tap it to it, and as you can see, this was also a sniper, and all these trades I have them placed in my Telegram group. So this is why you need to join the Telegram group, and I will show everything on the screen. You will see how the trade all went, or the time I called a trade for my Instagram followers, or my Instagram members, the time I called the trade for them, and how the trade went. So this one was called. This was the initial setup. This one was called, and market tap into it, went up, break the first TP, and I knew market was coming to retrace, and that was the time CPI came in. So you know, most of the time fundamentals and technical analysis normally work hand in hand most of the times. So I knew after breaking the first TP, which was a high, market was about to retrace downward. There will be retracement. You know, anytime there is a break of structure, I knew there was going to be retracement. So this CPI was just something very small and easy for me. Though I analyzed it for my Telegram members, I analyzed it for them why I am expecting sales on USD quote currency pairs, and I'm expecting buys on USD based currency pairs. I analyze this for them, and you will see it in the Instagram channel. So this was just easy, and this is why sometimes I don't advise, if you don't have a larger capital, if you don't trade this, or if you can't afford to lose the amount of money that you are using to trade, then you don't use it to trade. You understand? So look at how the news went. It rallied up, take out the stop loss, then it came in our direction. So assuming your stop loss was either here or something above here, you know, I was reaching about 15 pips, and I could have reached more than that, but market was around this area, anyone who watched the news or who saw the news knew that this market actually did this yawa. You understand? Because price was around this area, then price rallied upward before even the news will be dropped. Price was here, then came out with aggressive movement, then before it came down. So when I'm trading news, I just deposit an amount of money in a different account and I used to trade without stop loss. I know I can lose that money. So you trade with the amount of money that you are okay to lose. So I know that this one I'm only risking it. So if I lose it, it's not going to affect me. You understand? So that is why most of the times you need to trade news with with caution and apply better risk management. So after retracement, market came break structure on the 50-minute time frame. So I have said with my strategy, break of structure and then retracement. So this is the retracement. This trade, I called it in the Telegram group. You see it on your screen. I called it, and the moment I called it, less than 1 minute or 2 minutes time, the market started spiking, and everybody was happy in the Telegram group. This was my first TP. We closed around here before it hit our first TP because I knew after here market was going to, because there were a lot of liquidity at this place, and I knew after that market was going to trade. So I told them to close at this area. I don't just call trade. I don't just give setups. I also go along with the setups with them. Go along. If it's closing, we are closing. If it's break even, we are breaking even. So that is how it goes in the Telegram group. So I told them to close here, and after closing, market hit our TP with just some little pip upward, not even less than even 1 pip. Then you see the rally downwards, and that is how GBP USD went. So as you can see, this was my setup, initial setup. Market will come here, then rally upward. Market came down there, and you see market never came down to that level. So until there will be any change of character, and until maybe this low is taken or this low, this is just a previous sweep. I don't think I am here to teach my strategy. So until any low is taken or my swing lows are taken, I don't think market is going for south. Market is, I'm still bullish on GBP/USD even for the next week. So this is my setup, and this was how it went on GBP/USD. So let me go to the next setup that I called before even market open. So the next setup was USD JPY. So this was USD JPY. This was the setup I actually sent to them. This was the setup I sent to them. USD, the price was here, and I said the price was going to take out this liquidity and rally downwards, and this was just a quick source. If you can see that on the Instagram page, I told them, and mostly the reason why you have to follow me on Instagram is I do a little explanation on the Instagram page. If I send I don't just send setups. If I send a setup, I will explain it why I am thinking this is going to do this, and I also explain it in the Instagram page. So I will tell you why I believe this is going to do this and why I think this is going to do this. So this is why you need to follow me on the Instagram, and also join my my Telegram channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the post notification. As you can see, this is not any rating, or this is not anything that maybe you can say I'm forging or I'm trying. This is real. You join the Telegram, scroll up my messages, and you are going to see all these things that I'm showing right now. So this is USD JPY, and before the market opens, this was my setup. I said it was going to take out this liquidity, rally down to this discount zone, change character here, then rally upward. Now let's see what the market shown us on USD JPY. So this was USD JPY on the 7th. This is the date 7th. This was where market was. See, this was where market was 7th. Let me put this away. 7th. The date is there. I think the thing is still covering. So 7th is here. 7th is here. This was where the market is, and this was the liquidity I'm talking about. There was a liquidity here that I mark out here. I said market was going to take out the liquidity, then rally downwards. What did you see? Market took out the liquidity, rally downwards. This is very clear, and it is very easy. The strategy is very easy. that I use for this, and my risk to reward is always huge. Because if I am, let me show you this, only this one gave me about 113 pips. You can see always the risk to reward is huge. But with this strategy, the risk to reward you are going to get is huge. How many? 113 pips, and this was very easy. It just moved up, tap into it, then came down, break structure here, rally up, came down, but it didn't tap into my discount zone, and I said it was going to change character. So nevertheless, if it doesn't tap into my discount zone and I see a change of character, and mostly me, when I give you a trade, I expect my first TP, you should be okay, because you are a day trader. So if you are swinging, then fine, you would like to hold the trade to maybe the second or the third TP. But if you are a day trader, my first TP, I think you should be closing. Why will you hold the trade up to about 113 pips hit TP? Then you would like to hold the trade up to maybe like about 200 and something pips. That is irrational, and that is not logic. It doesn't make sense. I think if you are doing that, you are not being fair to yourself. So I expect you to close around here as a day trader, because even that time you can see that it was getting to late. It was going to 6:30, 7 o'clock. So you wouldn't like to hold a trade, or where trade that way, 434. So if you close around 3-4 that way here, why will you like to go as a day trader? Close the way for the next day for another setup, then rally, because after here you could have even entered from here. Because with your, I don't think I would show my strategy here, maybe another video, because even with this one, we just pull down, take this thing with the fair value gap here, take and target this low. We could have even entered another trade from here. Before we saw that market came and gave us double top here, and as you can see, maybe head, shoulder, break of shoulder, retracement, then up. This is very simple with SMC, change of character. And I was expecting, the reason why I didn't take this trade from here, if I wanted to use head and shoulder pattern, this is head, shoulder, head, shoulder, it break, come back to the neckline, I will have entered the trade from here. But I apply SMC, and I was expecting this fair value gap to be filled at least halfway. That's why I placed my sell limit here, but market didn't retrace to my sell limit, then I left the trade. So I didn't trade USD JPY this week. But apart from this trade, which even this trade I missed it, I missed this trade because I wanted it, the time the price rally up because of spread, it didn't tap me in. So this was how it went, and this was the news. I sent the news. I'll show you how, when I said USD JPY was going to buy up, came down. So that is that for USD JPY. Now let me go on to the last setup, which was on gold, almighty gold, that most people are afraid of. If you joke, it is going to blow your account. I actually analyzed it on what, 4-hour time frame. Gold was analyzed on 4-hour time because I saw a trend line on the 4-hour time frame, and gold was actually gold was actually respecting that trend line. So let me go to my Telegram group to show you how I sent the setup to my people. So this was gold, this was gold setup. I told them that gold was actually respecting this upward trend line, so I am expecting gold to come down to the trend line before rallying upward. Now let's see what happened. As you can see, this was on what, this was on 7, the same date, as you can see, 7th January, the same date. So let's see what happened on the 4-hour. What happened? Then it came down, then it went upward. Let me go to 50 minutes to show you how I put my buy limit. You understand? It came, the moment it tapped on the trend line, my buy limit was already there. I targeted the swing high, and how many pips? About 283 pips. Very, very simple and very, very easy. Why wouldn't you enter that? Why wouldn't you join me in the Telegram group? Why would you follow me on Instagram? All these things, you are going to be seeing it very often, and this is not something that you can say it. This is occasional thing, a repeated thing that will always happen and happen and happen. We just started. My Telegram group is very, very young. We have few people there, so join me. If not, the time to come, maybe, who knows, you may pay before you enter. So Guys, this, as you are seeing this is very real, and this is something that nobody's faking. Market open on 8th. My first trade was on the USD JPY that I said low, we missed the point of entry, so we move. More opportunities are yet to come, and we're not worried. And this was the gold setup that I said was coming down, and this is how it came down. So I told them that we are hot, the gold setup, progress of gold setup. Then I sent a signal, USD JPY sell limit, this, and this was the GBUSD setup that I sent for them. This one, it actually came down, tap into it, then rally upward. I want to show you all this so that you know that we are not faking, we are not being faking here, we are doing everything real. So this was a gold one, and I sent this signal USD JPY. Then this was the GBUSD setup. It tapped in, then rally upward. What did I say? I said GU just respected and flew away, and everybody was happy. So this was the sell limit I set on USD JPY. It tapped in very small, then rally up, hit my first DP. Guys, just this is. Then I sent another buy limit on GBUSD, and what happened? That was on the 9th. You know, like I said, it tapped. As this was the setup, it had to come inside and go up. It came inside, went up. It couldn't take my first TP out. Then because of this liquidity, it was coming down. So I sent a buy limit order here into the group. Look at what happened. Market just started. Look at the tip. It just tapped it, pop. Then market was going up. So I told them update on this trade. It is running. See setup. This was a setup. You get it. And this, look at how the trade went. This is how the trade went. It went up, hit our TP, and we were all happy. Guys, all these things, you are seeing it real on yourself. You are seeing it. You are seeing it. So this USD card, I didn't give a setup before the week started, because there was already a setup in the previous week, and I knew it was going to be buys for it. We were just waiting for retracement. So when the retracement actually came down, I sent a signal, and you watch how the signal was sent. I just sent a signal that this is going to what, after here it is going to go up. Now let me show you that. You know, when I was showing the setups, I didn't show you the USD card setup. So this was the setup, this thing I sent to them. I told them that they should buy, everybody should buy. Look at it, and it entered. Then how many pips? 52 pips. What do you want again? Even if you are using 0.01 lot with 52 pips, unless you are going to make something. So guys, this is not fake. You are saying everything yourself. Just join the Telegram group, and this is what you are going to be seeing on weekly basis. You are not going to, there's nothing to change. The same person is going to analyze the trade for you. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's take this YouTube channel to 1K within the next 1 month. Guys, you need to support me. Just show appreciation, and all these things I'm giving it to you for free. Not because my YouTube or my channel is very young. So the first people who are going to help me grow my channel, both the Telegram and the YouTube and the Instagram, I think I'm going to mentor. I'm going to select about 50 to 100 people, mentor them for free with this strategy. Very, very accurate, with huge risk to reward strategy. So let's go back to my Instagram page, so that I said the Instagram page, the Telegram page, so that we'll continue. So as you can see, this was the setup, USD card setup. It rallied and give us about 50 pips, you know, and people are joining. As you can see, this was the CPI for gold. I said gold was going to go down, and I don't just send setups. I analyze the setups, and this was my confluences, and I told them why I believe that gold and GU was going to sell. You understand? And it actually, and as a CPI, gold was selling, GU was selling, UJ was buying, UCAD was buying. Manage your risk well. Note, if you have different setup, you may choose to take your own. This is very funny, but it is true. If you think what I am telling you is you have a different setup, then why not choose your own? So I'll prefer you choose your own and leave my own, maybe if you believe yourself. But what happened? My own what? This is it. Pow! It sold down. Gold actually sold down. That was CPI. Both fundamentals and technical, we are good everywhere. We are good. We are good to go. Just join the Telegram channel and follow because even on the Instagram, I at least I explain small. Most of the times I don't get time to explain in the Telegram group, but on the Instagram I explain a little bit. So follow me on Instagram and join the Telegram channel too, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, please, and turn on the post notification. Anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. So guys, I can continue. Let me show you this gold setup. Let me show you something quick here. So this was the gold setup. The gold setup that I told them that it was going to come on the trend line, then rally upward. Then after the setup, what did I say there? I said look for change of character here, then we are going to buy. You get it? We are going to buy. And what happened? Guys, what happened? Let me show you what happened next. It was a buy. After that, it was a buy. Gave us about 283 pips. 283 pips. This is what forex is. You must know what you are doing. You must know what you are doing. You do it and do it right. So let's continue after analysis, and this will go analysis before then you can see that everything is accurate. This was a gold no, this is a UJ setup. USD sell limit, then boom, it was silent. We made profit this week, and I sent the flipping account. There is another video that I'll be releasing about this flipping. I think I'm doing a flipping challenge on this account, this channel. So I'm showing you how you can flip an account. So as you can see, this is a video on the time I was flipping. I sent a signal at the time I was flipping the account. So guys, you have to just join. Don't let us go and leave you. And you can see my people are sending me screenshot of their trades. So that is that. You see, there are a lot of testimonies that you would like to also be part of. So guys, this is it. I can count. This look at this trade. Let me just show you this trade. I think this is the last one I'm going to show you. If I want to continue, I think we are not going to finish today. This trade, I told them to look at this trade. I said that this trade that they should just buy from here. Less than 1 minute, look at what happened next. Look at this was the video about it. Less than 1 minute, every trade the market shoot up, and the next moment, this is it. You see, look at it. Before we close around this area, the market out. So that is how it is. When you know what you are doing, you don't need to talk much. The works will speak up for itself. So guys, you have seen it for yourself. If I'm faking, you know it. If I'm not faking yourself, you have seen it. This is how we analyze market. So guys, join me on my Instagram, follow me there, join my Telegram group. It is very free for now, very free. Maybe at the time, maybe you would like to come and join. That time, if you're not like it, who knows, you may be paying, or that time or maybe collecting something. By now it is free. So guys, join me and let's make this history in this forex industry. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.